Imagine this, the legendary Suzuki Mehran Reborn for 2026. A car that once ruled the streets as a budget-friendly icon, now reimagined as a futuristic city hatchback. The Mehran 2026 isn't just a throwback, it's a bold leap forward. Up front, you get sleek LED headlights, a sharp redefined grille, and a sporty aerodynamic body that keeps its boxy charm alive. Move to the rear, and you'll see a full-width LED taillight bar, a modern hatch design, and a cleaner, more stylish finish that makes the city car look like it belongs in tomorrow's traffic. Step inside, and the transformation is even more shocking. The old analog dials are gone, replaced by a full digital dashboard, a central touchscreen, and a compact futuristic steering wheel. The front seats are designed for comfort, with premium fabric and ambient LED lighting giving it a modern vibe. Even the rear seats finally get more legroom, with a smart compact design that makes the Mehran feel bigger and smarter than ever before. This isn't just a car, it's a legend reinvented for the future. The Suzuki Mehran 2026, simple, smart, and futuristic. Would you buy one if Suzuki actually made it? Let me know in the comments.